For you, I guess you moved on really easily. You found your girl and it only took a couple weeks. Remember when you said that you wanted to give me the world? And good for you, I guess that you've been working on yourself. I guess the therapist that found for you, she really helped. Now you can be a better man for your brand new girl. For you, I guess you're getting everything you want. Your body, your car, and your car is really taking on. It's like it never even happened, baby. What the? It's up with that. And good for you, it's like you never even met me. Remember when you saw Lugaro was the only person ever got through. Well, screw that and screw you. You will never have to act the way you know that I do. Or maybe you never cared at all. Maybe I'm too emotional. Yeah, but this like going this soul. Maybe I'm too emotional. Or maybe you never cared at all. You look happy and healthy, not me. If you ever cared to ask, good for you, you're doing great. Tell it down me, baby. Like a damn sociopath. I've lost my mind. I spent the night crying on the floor of my bedroom. Just on the fact that I really don't get it, but I guess good for you. For you, I guess you moved on really easily.